Meaning of disaffiliation.
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 Disaffiliation. Disaffiliation refers to the act of breaking away or distancing oneself from a group, organization, or community. It involves a deliberate decision to sever ties and disassociate oneself from the values, beliefs, or practices of a particular group. The result of disaffiliation can vary widely depending on the context and individual circumstances. In some cases, it can lead to a sense of liberation and newfound independence, while in others it may result in feelings of isolation, confusion, and loss of identity. Ultimately, disaffiliation is a complex process with unique outcomes for each individual who experiences it.